So there are multiple sacred forests in Meghalaya. This is just one of them. They used to practice their rituals in this forest in its ancestral times. So that's how this has become sacred. And because for some reason the trees don't grow beyond that border. The local folklore is that there's a god, spirit god, who takes care of the forest, Labasa. Nobody's ever seen one, but they believe it. And it's all about the belief.
It's a dense forest, and I was clueless, very clueless, because before that was clear skies, and the moment we stepped in, it was just pouring.
You usually think of a forest where it has birds and insects and all sorts of animals. But this forest was totally different. There was not a single animal there. You could not hear a single bird chirping.
You can't take anything in the forest, you can't take anything outside the forest. Whatever belongs to the forest stays there forever. There were huge trees which are pretty old, as 500 years old and 200 years, and I was surprised.
It's called the landmark stones, and that is where they start the process of their rituals. So there the preparation starts, then inside you go, then there's another preparation stone, 3 steps that way, and then the last one is the final preparation.
I remember when I was a child, I used to make beautiful paintings of those mountains. I could literally see them right in front of me, like that picture had come alive for me.